What's going on, everybody? TheMaxGengar here. Welcome back to the channel if you've been here before, and welcome to all newcomers. Today, we have ourselves a awesome box opening of the Kleavor Vstar Special Collection, and we have two of them, and both packs contain Fusion Strike and Lost Origins. I believe it's about 2 packs each, and we're just going to dig right into these, man. This is... it's incredible that Target still decides to stock these. I mean, I believe Lost Origins came out a couple of years ago, and just being able to grab a few of these from Target when they restock, it's awesome. And I have about 4 more boxes of these that I can go through, and I believe I'm probably going to end up putting them up against each other in a pack battle with some other packs from different distributions. But today, we're going to put these two together against each other, and we're going to see which box comes out on top. And you can see over here we have a really nice jumbo card and 2 different versions of the Kleavor Vstar. And even though for both promo cards, I don't know if you could see it in the video here up close, but both of them I believe are textured, and man alive, they are really cool. So let's just get right into this and take out the packs from each of them, and then we'll put them right up against each other in a Kleavor Vstar Special Collection pack battle. First step, gotta get this bad boy open. Very cool stuff here. So cool. Man alive. If you look closely, you can see that it's slightly textured, and this is a really cool card, even if it is just a promo card. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this bad boy right on ice to start off the video. Gotta have one for the collection. Man alive, just look at that. That is a really cool card. Have the jumbo version of the other Vstar card. And, these jumbo cards are pretty cool. Unfortunately, I don't really think there's much that you can do with them besides maybe hang them up. I've yet to come across a penny sleeve and then a top loader that would fit such a thing. But, I'm sure they're out there if we look for them. We have the last card here. And this is just a smaller version of the jumbo card, the actual card. And even this one has really cool texture on it. I don't know if you could see it up close to the camera. I can. And this is just really awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of these on ice, just so that way I have one for myself. And who knows, maybe we'll work on giving away the others to my wonderful subscribers, all of whom I can't thank enough. We're already at 20 subscribers on the channel, and it has just been a real privilege to be able to do this for everybody and to gain you as a subscriber. Super appreciative. Take a look at these Lost Origin packs. We have ourselves a Hisuian Zoroark on one, and we have ourselves an Enamorus on the other. Really cool. And the chase out of this pack is going to be that Giratina. So hopefully, out of one of these 4 packs that we're going to be able to pull today, we will be able to grab that Giratina. And then, of course, the other 2 packs that we have are Fusion Strike. And man alive, if we could pull out that special art rare Gengar for the channel, I mean, you couldn't beat it any other way, man. Wow, really excited. And of course, here's a code card for you. Now we have the second box, and this one, I'm just gonna get right to it. Second code card for you. Here are our next 4 packs. 2 more Lost Origins. One with Giratina on it, and the other one with another Hisuian Zoroark. And finally, we have ourselves the last 2 Fusion Strike with another Gengar on it. And I believe this is a Boltund, I want to say. You'll see it up on the screen if I've made a mistake. But, you know, let's get right into these. Let's get into our first pack of Pokemon Sword and Shield Lost Origin.
Worthless.
Oh my God, bro. What the hell?
Not a complete loss, if you ask me. Let's put this bad boy right on ice. Looks like these are the best 2 cards out of the entire pack. The rest were just hollows and reverse hollows, and really not too much of anything to note. So with all of that being said, thank you so much for tuning into the video. And until next time, this has been TheMaxGengar. Please remember to like and subscribe if you feel I've earned it. Take care.